Hello everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. And this week I want to tell you a little story about a business owner who wanted to promote their business online but was feeling completely overwhelmed, completely out of touch, and simply didn't know where to start. It's overwhelming because where do you start? Is it Google Ads? Is it Facebook? Is it your website? Is it SEO? My advice to this person is to just choose one thing. Think about when you're at a circus and you see the circus clown with all the plates on the spinning sticks, and he sticks them up and he's got like 4 or 5 sticks in the air with spinning plates. Think about these spinning plates like the elements of digital marketing. So you've got one plate for Facebook, you've got another plate for SEO, you've got another plate in the air for your website, and perhaps you have another plate in the air for writing content and generating leads and inquiries through SEO perhaps. When you look at this circus clown, does he ever put all the plates up in one go? No, he doesn't. He puts one plate up on the stick like this, and then he's spinning it and spinning it. And when that one's spinning, just like, and doesn't need that much help anymore, he gets the other stick and then he starts working on that one and working on that one. So just like the circus clown, just choose one thing. Do really well and learn everything about that one thing. And then when you're ready, put your next stick up and learn about that. Instead of trying to put all your plates up in the air at once, consider just doing one thing at a time. Get that right, then move on to the next one. Until next time, everyone.